Okay, hi everyone. So I'm going to do a quick design that shows you how to paint something a new way. I'm going to have it in my beginner playlist, but I'm just starting with some green, some orange, yellow, and some glitter. Now I'm going to add top coat to this glitter for the centers, but these ones are just regular craft paint that are acrylic. If you for you guys looking at the beautiful, they're called Lumiere, but they're hard to find. So anyways, they might be discontinued. Any metallic will do, or whatever color you like, because I'm going to show you more of a technique than an actual design. So the technique is that you go into the first color, which is going to be that real beautiful bronze. Now I'm going to press the nail down to the side. Now I said I was going to show this to you guys, but I said it in the wrong video, so sorry about that. I get confused. So in this video I'm going to do it. Okay, so I'm pressing down. Now I'm going to press down again and go around, and see how that makes the center of the flower black. Now I'm going to go again, push, push, and then go like this. Push, push, and then meet in the middle. That way you don't have to draw the flower, it draws itself. And I'm going to go here, one, and you can do it as many different ways as you want to. So if you wanted to do big leaves like this, you could, and just make the little, and go like this, like that. Now with the green, if you paint the nail black first, you don't have to outline anything. So this would be a good way to start with the flowers and practice your skills. I did this for so many years, and then I got bored of everything looking too perfect. And my clients were coming back and saying that they thought they were decals, and I was like, okay, so we learned a way to do it to where everybody was happy, and I still had fun, because it's sad when you do a lot of work and then it's just called a decal. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to go on to orange, add a little bit of water so it's nice and thin. Thin is better, and the thinner the better. It's better to do 2 or 3 coats of paint than it is to do one thick coat, because it'll just peel and crack. So there's the orange. See how that is? And that's just not pearl. Now I'm going to go in with a little tiny bit of yellow. The yellow is going to go right into the center, just like that. Now I'm going to get my top coat ready, and then I mix that with the center of the, with the glitter I had laid out. There we go. And then let's see what we can do here. Okay, so there's my glitter. I think it's a little bit of gold chrome and a little bit of a nice cute green holo. A drop of top coat. Use the end of my wand and make a little. And what that does is it makes a little gem, really, that you can paint with. So I go in there, oops, that's the wrong brush. And I'm going to take it and roll it under my brush so there's a little bead on the end, like this. And if it's too gold, I'll go in and add some green, and if it's too green, I'll add some gold. But that's the basic thing. And if it's too thick, that means just add more top coat. Now you go into the nail, and you just kind of push in the gem, push in the gem. This gem won't come off, and then you take the leftover and go through the leaves like that, and that just kind of sparkles it up. And if it gets like out of line or whatever, you can go back with black, like this, just black paint, and touch out of the way so that you can take all of your problems out, and then you can add like little extras to the flower like this. Okay, now for the second part of this design, I'm going to go in with my striping brush, which is called the Unicorn. And both of my brushes you can get at robinmosesnailart.com. Okay, now, oh, and for the polish, I used a very luxurious color called Scarabee 3, and it is beautiful, and given to me by a viewer. Or did you give this to me, Guru?
I gave it to you.
You did? Thank you. I got one. I got them 2 right at the same time, and I know that you gave me one, and another lady gave me another one, but I love them. And they're like my collection that I look at when I don't know, they just make me feel loved. So I'm going to touch it and pull down, touch the cuticle, and then pull down, touch, pull down, pull down. And then I like to kind of mix it up a little bit so it doesn't look like a stamp. And then just kind of put two, and then make it almost look like ticking on a pillow. Like, you know, just an old country look. And then it just looks really cute and finishes off the design without being real hard. And although it looks hard, once you get the technique down of this, it's very fun to paint. It's just like, you can talk and do this forever. So I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments saying, oh my gosh, I can't believe how you do that so easy. But it really is a technique that one time you'll be like struggling, and then it pops and you get it, and then you're like, oh, okay. So like you can like just do it forever. I mean, it's just awesome. And having the right brush is imperative. So if you need a striping brush, please get one from me. This is what I created these to work. So because I can't find them to work, they're always too boingy. These like push and they stay on the nail, so you can get a line going. You know, when they're constantly fighting you, it feels like it goes boing, and then you have like lifting, or you know, like these stick to the nail and you can change the shape and the thickness. So that
pressure stays the same as you draw the line.
Right. It's like it moves easily, and that's very difficult to find. So anyways, I have bought them, and I've spent $50 on brushes that were striping brushes that I ended up having to throw away because they didn't stick right. So I don't want you guys to waste money. So there is the design. Let me top coat and I'll meet you back. Okay, so let me get, oh, I'm way too close. Let me, hi everyone. You can see my thoughts. Oh no. Anyway, okay, so here it is. This design probably takes 10 to 15 minutes on a good day, like when you're focusing and not talking, and it is so beautiful, and it never goes out of style. You can change colors, you can change shapes, length, size, everything. And if you want to see more of these in different colors and stuff, just leave me a message in the comments, and get brushes. They help so much. RobinMosesNailArt.com, and they're just two of them, and that I use for all my tutorials. I only use 2 brushes for all my tutorials, and that's, you know, like, it's imperative that we all have the same thing. I equate it to having curling irons. If we all are doing our hair and we have different curling irons, we're all going to get different results. It's the same way with brushes. So anyways, you'll just learn faster. And if you do try my designs, say inspired by Robin Moses on your photos, so that other people that want to learn art can and get started. So then you can like decide what you like the best and make it your own, but at the same time help somebody else find art for nails. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you back with more. Bye! Boop. Oh, they're so pretty.